My name's Tommy Hartwell. I'm on the board at Waterhaven Condominium Association in Panama City Beach and responsible for contracting after Hurricane Michael. We had, after Hurricane Michael in October of 18, we had extensive damage, particularly along the waterfront. Even some of the wind principally came from the north, which is this direction, and really messed up the roofs. I reached out to Apex based on a job they had done for me in Alabama, my personal residence over there. And it was a fairly large roof, 72 squares of roofing on it, but they did a really nice job. But I wasn't sure that they did this type of work. And so I reached out, talked to them, and they said yes. Did their look-see, used drones to fly over the property, actually used the drone technology to measure the roofs and determine the squares that they needed, the cuts that they would need, and came back within a few weeks with a proposal. We had a lot of issues with the first company that we had, particularly around disregard for safety, disregard for housekeeping, flat tires because of roofing screws going everywhere. I think after Apex did the remaining 13 buildings or 14 buildings, we had one flat tire. One, okay? And I'm not really sure it was their fault, okay? In any case, what happened was we awarded Apex the contract for all remaining buildings. They did the work, did it in an extremely professional manner. One of the things that we noticed was you basically didn't know they were on site. It was so quiet compared to the previous company.
My name is Will Mixon. I'm the Community Association Manager here at Waterhaven. Apex has great people working for them. Their foreman was phenomenal. He came in every day and was able to help me out. And as far as communicating with the homeowners, our community has metal roofs here. Apex came in and was able to replace the roofs with better material, with more fasteners. We have a lot of steep pitches, and they were able to navigate that area as well. Apex cleaned up on a daily basis. They did not leave the job site in disarray. They didn't leave anything out that was unsafe.
I'm Vicki Bogan. I am the president of the HOA here at Waterhaven Homeowners Association. Once Apex was on site, we were very happy with the job they did. They had a great safety program. We didn't have any issues with people not wearing their safety equipment. Our on-site supervisor was amazing. He was here every day. He went on the roofs with the roofers. He was very great with communication if we had any issues. He became a part of our community. He was very friendly to the residents. We had the same crew the entire time, which made a huge difference. We just were very happy with the whole experience.
I wouldn't hesitate to recommend Apex to any HOA or a multifamily unit needing extensive roof repairs or roof replacements.
I would recommend Apex to other community association managers. They're going to make your job easier.
Based on the experience we had here at Waterhaven, I would highly recommend Apex Roofing for any roofing needs of any HOA, any size, large or small.